What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable show unlock transition effect in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on biometrics and after that click on show unlock transition effect button to turn it on or turn it off. So if you want to enable show unlock transition effect, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable show unlock transition effect, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable show unlock transition effect in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.